Let's turn these kids show posters into art, starting with the weirdly amazing one of Gumball. Let's bring in the function poster. I got this squid image. Let's borrow one of his 10 and I'm going to use them as Gumball's new hair. Let's mask it so it blends perfectly with the body, and I'm gonna change the color of the tentacle to match his face and body. I got another tentacle to use as his tongue so he can use it to lick his victims before he traumatizes them. But his face looks too friendly for a victimizer. So I will make his eyes black, erase the heavy eyebrows, and replace them with a more meaning eye. Add tiny white pupils and random white marks around the pupil to give him a more creepy look. Good. Let's give the tongue a more poisonous look. Now his family on the background looks very happy, and that is not right, cause Gumball is a monster that licks people with a poisonous tongue. So I'm gonna erase their lovely smiles and replace them with a terrified scream. I'll bring back Richard's teeth because they're funny. Let's also keep Anani's teeth. Now everything is balanced. Let's fix the title to the not wonderfully, but gonna scratch the weird part out and replace it with freaky. The not wonderfully but freaky word of Gumball. And I'm gonna place this tentacle on the title, and I'm gonna erase one of the S. And here is the wonderfully weird world of Gumball horror version. Like the video or else Gumball will lick your face with his poisonous freaky tongue. Next poster is Max Steel. Let's erase the original poster. I am going to place Max image without still covering his face, and I'm gonna change his expression to add fear to it. Because what he's experiencing is traumatizing. I got another image of him with still covering his face as the helmet, and I'm gonna select the helmet using the selection tool. After that, I'll divide it using the lasso tool to show the expression. Now I'm gonna change the blue color to the red to show that Steel is going rogue. Let's add cool fire effect, make the poster look cool. Then I'm gonna click next onto it. I got this guy from the series. Select his head, cut it out, and I'll add God to his face as if Max Steel did it too. I'll place that down here and do a similar thing to this lady. I'm gonna make the eyes red and cut off the bottom. Then I'm gonna add this spray here, make it pink a little bit, and I'll paint the rest of the color. Then I'll finish it with the chroma and I'll give it some depth with bevel and emboss. And I'm gonna place them all. I got a bunch of shattered glass. I'm gonna take this one, place it up there, this one down here. I'm gonna clip both heads to the glass. Change the blending option to blend them on the glass. I'll place the title right here in the middle, paint it red. Let's add a little camera roll here to give it a horror tone. And here is Max Steel horror version.